Now, I'm not going to call this person stupid. I am going to say what they are doing is stupid, though. Don't do stupid stuff like this. Whatever you want to think, I really do want people to succeed. And I'm well aware, Clay, you just say that because you're selling stuff. And that's fair, fine. I understand where you're coming from. So, but regardless, whether or not you believe me, I do want people to succeed. And this is the type of stuff that drives me insane. Why would you do this? Why would you acknowledge something and then continue to do that something when you admit that that something is just not wise? That is stupid. That's like the definition of stupid, right? If you acknowledge something is stupid and then you continue to do the stupid thing, I'm not going to call you stupid, but what you're doing is stupid. And that's exactly what we have here. But also, I mean, this is why I can sleep fine at night. I'm offering up these videos. I'm trying to help, these types of people. And if they don't want to listen, then hey, you know what? The market needs gamblers. The market needs blind sheep. The market needs puppets that just want to act and conduct and behave in this manner. Because, have you ever like bought and you're like, how did I get that entry point? Who would have sold to me at this level? Who are these people? Well, here's an example of one of these people that provide those really good, or maybe you've been in a situation where you're like, I can't believe I just got that exit point. Wow, who just bought from me way up there? Why would they be buying right now? What a dumb place to buy. People like that are behaving like this. So don't behave like this person. So King Creole says, I agree with you to the fullest extent that I can. I started buying stock last year. I've made a good bit of money with CRON, but I don't know how. I just lucked up and got in on a stock that happened to shoot up shortly thereafter. Based on what I've been studying, it's definitely outside the norm, and I am by no means proclaiming to be some kind of market guru just because I've made a good bit of profits from one of my first investments. I have a handful of friends proclaiming that because of what they've made with CRON, and I wonder how they'll feel when it gets back down to $8 to $12, which is what I'm expecting to happen. A little inventory check. They admit they don't know what they're doing. They admit that they stumbled upon it with luck and all that. And I commend this person. Well done in the self-aware category. Well done in saying, oh, no. That's fool's gold. I'm not going to take hold of that fool's gold. I full well realize that I think he said it lucked up. I just lucked up on this stock. I happened to get in right before it went up. But yeah, again, he says, but I don't know how I made money. I mean, the guy is fully embracing the fact that it was pure luck. Well done. Great self-awareness. But let's keep going. So I reply back, props to you for admitting you had no idea what was going on. I love how you say you don't know how. Haha, respect to you. Then they reply back, just being honest, man, LOL. I'm learning every day, so in the future, I'll be able to look back and know how I did it. But I'm just riding the luck train right now. So I reply back, well, knowing you're on the lucky train, but continuing on it anyways is, well, dumb. And then they reply back, are you suggesting that I sell my shares of CRON? Come on, dude. Think about this, King Creole. You admit you're self-aware, you're fully aware of the fact that you're getting lucky, that you're on the luck train. But your conclusion to all this is, well, I'm just going to stay on the luck train. And then your next conclusion is, well, are you saying that I should sell? Maybe that was said in jest or with some irony intended. Hopefully it was, but I don't think I really need to say any more. I think the vast irony here and contradiction speaks for itself. But come on, man, you've taken a huge step that so many people do not take. They never admit that it is luck. They confuse luck and skill. It happens all the time. Happened to me when I first got started. But props to you. And I really meant that. That was awesome. I found it so refreshing that, hey, here's somebody that made some money, but is not allowing the bear trap of fool's gold to grab you. And then you went on and did that. Isn't that amazing, though? The human mind. And that's why I love these Clay Trader Mail videos. This is not like a needle in a haystack. I have no idea how many episodes I've done at this point, but there's a lot. There's got to be over maybe even 200 episodes now of data points where the human mind is just causing some really odd behavior. And when you think about that, and then you factor in how trading is very, very mental, I mean, it's not shocking why the failure rates are as high as they are when the human mind apparently has, this much, puppet string power over people. But don't be like this. Like I said, I'm not going to insult your intelligence and explain the irony here, but be very, very aware of the human mind, because if it can make you act like this, yeah, imagine all the other ways it can make you act. So King Krill, I hope you kind of wake up and realize what you're saying and the vast irony and contradiction here that you've presented. But I mean, come on, you've done that first step, man. Just take that next step and realize, yeah, I need to step off the train and I need to actually go learn how to do all this. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.